disgusting.
Idiotic ice baths. Freezing ice baths. How many times have we seen somebody doing their cold water exposure, having an ice bath? Why are they doing it? Supposedly, ice baths reduce the muscle soreness and stiffness you get after a workout. They speed up recovery by reducing the swelling of the muscles and therefore allow you to get back into training. But ice baths, what do they do? Are they the best form of thing to do to reduce our muscle inflammation or soreness after exercise? What does the science tell us? Don't be jumping into a freezing cold ice bath because that's going to slow down your blood flow. We want to speed up our blood flow, which will then reduce your inflammation in the muscles after exercise. Some light exercises, light walking, cardio, mobility, strength bearing exercises, and rest. Chill out, don't chill down. Fake foam rolling. What does foam rolling do? Or should I say, what do people think it does? Well, people think it removes scar tissue and adhesions, it helps blood flow and improves your body and helps you recover faster. Actually, what does it do? Let's look at the science and find out. The claims of foam rolling is that it increases recovery by getting blood flow into the muscles. We know to get blood flow into the muscles, it's not foam rolling we need, it's just rest and light cardio exercise. Topical turmeric. Turmeric. This is one of the latest ones from some so-called health professionals. Apparently, if you take turmeric, it reduces muscle inflammation. If you therefore reduce your inflammation in your muscles, you can train better the next day. There's a great comedian that does an amazing stand-up routine around taking turmeric. Why is it that people are saying take turmeric to reduce muscle inflammation? What they've found is that a tiniest amount of turmeric can reduce inflammation, but what you would have to do is you'd have to take canisters and canisters and canisters of it to actually see a difference when you do a workout in the gym to reduce that inflammation. If that's the thing that you're looking at, we need to ask the right question. As I've said before in videos, is what's the question we need answering? The question would be, how do we reduce the inflammation in our muscles to recover faster? That's the question we should ask. Therefore, we should follow the science with that question. This crazy claim by trainers that turmeric reduces inflammation in the muscles is completely false. If we actually did have inflamed muscles, the best thing would be recovery. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click the like button. If you didn't, double click the dislike button. And please subscribe to this channel and you'll get more myths being shattered within the fitness industry.